Mahanadu happening here in Kadapa.
See, the after forming the government in 2024 elections, it's very prestigious because never like anything before we've won so many seats in Kadapa. So, as a gesture of giving back, we wanted to host a very prestigious Mahanadu in Kadapa.
Sir, one more thing, sir. Your family was targeted very brutally from your very own relatives in the previous regime. Bhuma Akhila Priya Garu has also started giving it back. Whether it may be the diary issue or whether it may be the other issue. Even in the Yuvaganam also, you have faced a very tough situations. What do you think? Why you have faced the situations, and what are the reasons that you have maintained your calm at that time?
See, I truly believe that once you're targeted, that means you're climbing up the stairs to somewhere. I mean, I feel we were targeted because we were not scared of any cases that they were putting or any of the kind of trouble that they're putting in. We were never scared. We always raised our voice under the leadership of Mr. Nara Lokesh Garu. So them seeing us not being scared of anything and going to an extent to fight for people, they wanted to trouble us. They tried their level best, but I think more than anything, the people saw what where the honesty lies and what we were going through. I think they gave a very, very, very clear mandate that in Andhra Pradesh there will be no vindictive politics that will be encouraged. You do development, you convince the voter to vote you, that's when you're going to win. Even if you see today, we've come in power, it's been 1 year almost. Not we have only the people who've crossed the line are in trouble, but we are not going and targeting anybody for the political reasons. So I say, let us end the vindictive politics over here and let's start a new era of politics for the development of Andhra Pradesh.
One more thing, sir. Not only in the land of Alagadda, your family and Sri Bhuma Akhila Priya Garu was also targeted even in Hyderabad where you were in your peace. How would you take it?
See, once you're politically involved, you'll be facing forces from all sides. But as far as Hyderabad issue is concerned, I think that is a personal dispute that we had, and these lands and whatever the allegations we had, that was going on from my father's side. And at that time, politically, there was a different party in power, and they wanted to aside us from our own property, so we had to fight. And I feel we were wrongly accused for the wrong reasons.
Your father and your mother. Your mother is a motherly figure for the entire Alagadda, but your father was like Nandamuri Balakrishna Garu, even Nandamuri Balakrishna Garu and your father also very good friends. Today, on the third day of Mahanadu, Nandamuri Balakrishna Garu is going to attend this event. We are missing, people of Alagadda are missing Sri Bhuma Nagareddy Garu. Are you representing him?
No, see, as far as I think I don't think anybody can replace Mr. Bhuma Nagireddy Garu. But as you said, Balakrishna Garu is coming to attend the third day of Mahanadu, which is a very prestigious thing, and all of us are looking forward for Balakrishna Garu. But nobody can replace my father to me, and we are here to represent his presence, but not him entirely. And as far as the people of Alagadda are concerned, I think me and my sister are doing as the best as we can in the form of my mother and sister to take Alagadda into a next level of development, and that's what we're currently focused on. And I'm very confident under the leadership of Mr. Nara Lokesh Garu, we'll be able to take Alagadda to a next place. Next, Alagadda will be competing with Amravati.
Thank
Thank you.
you.